What's going on, guys? And in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple toggle button using CSS. So here in my HTML file I have the link to my external CSS, which is right here, and then my title, which is toggle, as you can see here. And then in the main body part I have given an input, so it's a type of checkbox, which is this thing here in which we can check, or this tick comes in. Anyway, let's move on to our CSS code and start styling. First of all, I'm going to style my body, so it's gonna have a background color of a gray, so 999. I need this to be a little more darker, so somewhere here. There you go. It looks nice, I guess. Anyway, let's now style the input. So I am gonna totally change this simple block, which has a tick on it, to something like a toggle button. So first of all, I need to change its appearance to none. So I don't want this kind of appearance, so it just disappears. But don't worry, we will style it and bring back. So the width is gonna be 140 pixels, and then the height is gonna be 40 pixels, and then a background color of a gray, light gray. Let me make this a little more lighter. Oh, alright, there you go. So yeah, it looks, I'm not saying it looks great now. We have still something to do. I mean, some more to do. Anyway, I have to center it. So before anything else, I need it to be in the center. So for that I'm gonna use position absolute, so I can break it from the flow of the website and put it wherever I want it to be. And then I'm going to specify the top, which is going to be 40%, and then the left, which is also going to be 40%. There you go. Now it's centered nicely. And next up, we need to style the box inside of this thing. So the small part that moves around across that thing. So for that I need to use a before pseudo element selector, so I basically create a new element so that I can paste into it. So this is just used for basically, creating a new one without the hassles of going through the HTML and putting a new tag on it. So let me just show you. First of all, I need to put a content, which is basically nothing, just a blank space. So if you don't put the content in here, the box that we built will not be seen, or we cannot see it. So the content is really necessary here. And then position absolute, there we go. And then width is gonna be 20 pixels, let's say for now. And the height is also going to be 20 pixels. And then a background color, which is also going to be something like white. Yeah, basically it's white. And there you go, you can see a small thing here now. Let me just increase its height and width. So it's gonna be 30 and 30, maybe 35. Alright, there you go. It's looking great now. And it's not looking great, but I mean, we came this far. And now I have to style its top, so I need to displace it. So for that, I'm gonna use 3 pixels, or maybe 2. There you go. And for left, it's gonna be 2 pixels. Alright, now I have a space in between this white box and the gray box. And now it's time for us to style what happens after we click on it. So for that, I'm going to use input pseudo class selector, which is the checked one. So this is something like the hover, but instead when you click on it, it changes its appearance. So I'm just gonna put background color is gonna be not white, but something like a dark red. There you go. And also I need to specify the transition dot 3 seconds. So it's gonna be 0.3 seconds. I'm also put it, copy it and paste it over to here, and then save it. There you go. You can see it changing the color, but the white box isn't moving. But don't worry, we will style that. Let me just change its color to a little more darker. Alright, so the color doesn't matter. You can put any colors which you like. Anyway, next up we need to specify the input before. Copy it and paste it, and then put checked here. And when I click it, I need this white box to move all the way here. So for that, I'm going to use transform property for translate x-axis. So it's going to be displacing this white box horizontally, and that's going to be a 90 pixels. So it's isn't working. There you go. You need this one to be the input checked, and then after that you need to specify the before. So I'm just gonna increase this to 95 pixels, maybe a little more, 98. Right, I guess 100. Alright, it's working great now. But something isn't quite right. Maybe I need to put a border radius, and it's gonna be 8 pixels. Just a little curved edge. Copy it and then paste it over to here, and then save it. There you go. It's looking nice now. So you can mess around with the settings and make it even more beautiful or look cool looking. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new in the way. And till the next video, goodbye.